to the channel, but if you happen to be a newbie passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload, period. Trust me, you don't want to miss the uploads that be happening here on this channel. So Glam Dolls, today's video, as you can see by its title, it is all about the lace front wig that I have been wearing a lot lately. And to make sure I have its name and specs and everything else correctly about it, I'm going to read it to you from its packaging. So I've been rocking Junny Collection Extremely Deep Part Lace Wig. The style name is called Junny. She's curl iron safe, she's flat iron safe up to 360 degrees. And the color I'm wearing is number 1. And let me tell you all about this wig. It has exceeded my expectations, okay? And oh, by the way, this wig is not new to the channel. It is not new to the channel. I first started wearing her in this gorgeous brown color in which you're seeing right now. It was that brown color that spawned the love that I now currently have for this wig. The wig is giving bundle hair look without bundled hair course, okay? Junny Collection has really leveled up their game when it came to at least this wig right here, Junny. And another thing, when it comes to Junny Collection, if you're not familiar with that wig brand, they are the leading hair manufacturer and distributor within the hair industry. And I'm here to tell you, they have leveled up the quality on their wigs a lot lately. So this wig here, it does have a comb in the nape of its neck. It has adjustable straps in the back, and it do have 2 combs, one on each side up here on your temples. And the parting space, this is what the parting space is looking like. On the packaging it says it is extremely deep part lace wig. So you're getting about 6 inches of parting space. And when it comes to the parting space, I didn't do any manipulation to get its width or to get the length in which you are seeing. So the width and the length is exactly what you're going to get with this wig. And in fact, I'm going to turn around so you can see what it's looking like in its back. Do keep in mind as I turn around, if you happen to see any spacing in the back, it's because I had the hair coming forward. So this is what she's looking like. Bundled hair look without the bundled hair course. I'm telling you all. This is her from the side. This is Junny. This is how long she is. She's coming way down, dolls. Way down. This is Junny. And the front. And let me turn to the other side. This is her from the other side. And like I said, I absolutely freaking love her. And apparently a lot of you seem to have loved her too, because a lot of you have inquired about this wig, and she is so worth you all getting, I kid you not, bundled hair look without the bundled hair course. And Junny definitely has surpassed my expectations. Yeah, this wig is worth it, so worth it that I'm honestly going to get her in every single other color she is available in. So on that note, dolls, this pretty much just concluded the video, because I just want to jump on in here real quick and share this gorgeous wig with you all, since I know a lot of you have inquired about it. Once again, this is what Junny's looking like on the stock card. This is the stock card. That is the picture of the model when you see it. And this is what it's looking like when you get her out of its packaging. Cut the lace off. Add a little bit of face powder on the party space, which is totally optional. And this is what you are going to get. Seriously, I'm starting to ramble, and this just concluded the video. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I also want to give a huge special shout out and thank you to Junny Collection, because without them, this video would not have been made possible. Seriously, thank you for watching, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.